Welcome to the Effective Learning Techniques Part 3 students. Today we shall learn about the general errors and their corrections. Students, mistake in the use of prepositions fall under three very common categories. Sometimes we use a preposition where it is not required, or we use the wrong preposition. And third category is when we do not use the preposition where it is required. So in these slides you will find out the common errors and mistakes and will learn about their corrections. Look at the first sentence, students. He returned back in an hour. Answer, correct answer is he returned in an hour. When we use return, we do not use back word with it. He has come from England after 2 years. Here we will make use of back. He has come back from England. Third is they called off the strike. Here when strike is called off, OFF preposition is used here. Means the strike was stopped. The strike was closed. Fourth, teaching is a profession to my heart, but it should be teaching is a profession after my heart. Add sugar as per taste. Add sugar to taste. I have reconciled with my fate. I have reconciled to my fate. The matter was put in front of them. The matter was put before them instead of in front of. He looks at me as his enemy. He looks upon me as his enemy. Have you heard about it before? Have you heard of it before? 10th is, I beg from you to pardon me. I beg of you to pardon me. Next, 11th is, please listen me. This is wrong sentence, students. It should be, please listen to me. One from them is dead. The correct sentence is, one of them is dead. He is very fond for studies. He is very fond of studies. We always use the preposition of with the word fond. He leant on his wall. He leant against the wall. They went in the room. They went into the room. This shows some action, so it should be into. We were sitting into the room. So here the preposition of in would be used because into involves movement and in does not. In shows sitting. We looked out from the window. We looked out of the window. He died from malaria. He died of malaria. She rang me late evening. She rang me up late evening. The patient died in the way. The patient died on the way. They laughed on me. They laughed at me. Look at the next slide now. I lay on the sofa for a little rest. I lay down on the sofa for a little rest. No one was besides the sick man. It should be no one was beside the sick man. See the note, children. Besides means near. Besides means in addition to, and beside means near. He dines off gold plates. He dines off OFF. He will not part from his house. He will not part with his house. He woke me. He woke me up. The old man must be looked on properly. The old man must be looked after properly. They asked about the health of the sick man. Correct answer is they asked after the health of the sick man. 29th, the doctor operated upon my leg. The doctor operated on my leg. The lady burst in tears. The lady burst into tears. She has no problem to speak. She has no problem to speak of. Otherwise, it is an incomplete sentence if we speak it like she had no problem to speak. 32. The cat pounced at the rat. The correct answer is the cat pounced upon the rat. 33rd. I am ashamed on myself. The correct answer is I am ashamed of myself. Next slide, students. We are not accustomed of such formalities. Correct answer. We are not accustomed to such formalities. I am not acquainted of the ways of high society. Correct answer is I am not acquainted with the ways of high society. A change had come on the sky, and the correct answer is the change has come over the sky. The child was lifted off the bed. The child was lifted off the bed. OFF. We demand very high standards from our teachers. We demand very high standards of our teachers. Everything in the universe is made from atoms. Everything in the universe is made of atoms. You, he and I are to blame. The correct sentence, children. I, he and you are to blame. 41st. I, he and you deserve all the praise. You, he and I deserve all the praise. Now look at the difference. The reason for the difference is, in all good actions, the second person should be mentioned first and the first person last at all. And in bad actions, which deserve blame, the first person should come first and the second person last. This is the rule, students. 42nd. Unless you do not work hard, you cannot succeed. Correct answer. Unless you work hard, you cannot succeed. Unless is already negative, so a double negative is not acceptable in sentence. That makes the sentence incorrect. 43rd. There is no anyone in the room. Same rule goes for this sentence also. There is no one in the room. 44th. Either you or your sister know it. Either you or your sister knows it. I neither know her or her brother. Correct answer is I know neither her nor her brother. 46th. Radha as well as her brothers are at college. Radha as well as her brothers is at college. Students, in this last sentence, the verb should agree with the noun or pronoun that comes before as well as. But in either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the noun or pronoun that comes after them. Students, these exercises are followed by an assignment which I am sure you will find easy to attempt, and in case any difficulty you can always consult the answer key. Thank you, children.